Leave it.
And you can even make it more tempting.
Leave it.
Good. It's like, I'll leave that for food. Are you kidding me?
Leave it. Good.
Good boy.
Leave it. Oh,
Good.
Leave it.
So there, and that was a stop of a mugging yet.
Okay.
But you get the idea.
So you could try like on the right.
Yeah, we'll try here. Hey.
Well, he's leaving cheese.
Well, he is leaving it, yeah. But look how different it is when you just put it on a different service.
Yeah, now it's more exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Leave it. He's like, oh, that's nice. Okay.
You might want to try just with one.
Okay.
More tempting with a bunch.
Hey.
He's just like, I didn't like this game. I'm just telling you that. You can't stop me on this ramp. I've negotiated it already.
Leave it. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Leave it. Oh, that's nice.
So you can start saying take it too.
Oh,
Yeah.
You give it from that hand.
And try not saying leave it. Try just blocking it with your hand. Good.
Oh.
And say take it. Good.
You're almost more
So that,
responsive to that.
yeah.
It makes it less exciting.
Maybe. It might be. And also sometimes talk can be a lot of chatter for dogs. So almost if they make the choice on their own, not only do they have less to focus on, but so do we. We notice more if we're not saying something for them to do. Oh, what a good boy. So you can do that. It's almost like feeding grapes to your puppy. Just sit there and I will feed you these grapes. Yeah, if he's got it in his mouth, the DROP works.
Drop it.
Good.
So he doesn't need to be walking.
No, and he doesn't need to be walking. He doesn't need to be biting it. He could be sniffing it. It's your backup to everything.
Okay.
Even if you wanted to get his attention from another dog, just say, drop it.
Yeah, and just,
Yeah.
I actually did that. We were walking on the path and it was like some kids being really exciting. So I did like a drop it.
Yeah, that works.
Got him turned the other way.
Did you drop it? He's like, I think so. You have hilarious whiskers on your eyebrows now. He's like,
He's like, bye.
I'm going into the vortex, into the puppy vortex.
Drop it.
Good. B. Drop it. Good boy. Works for bees too.
Take it.
He's like, I really don't think I. Oh, he's almost gonna take it.
Drop it. Right here.
Good. And remember to take
Zephyr.
this away. Come take it.
Take it.
We have a veggie now.
Drop it.
Good.
I think it was halfway.
Very good. Very good. And make sure you have a good handful of his most favorite stuff.
Yeah.
'Cause I know he likes the carrots.
Take it. Drop it. Drop it. Right here.
Jeez.
Right here.
Good, 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 good.
This is what I've got to be quicker on. I'm like, okay.
Yeah. He's like, this is apparently the eating class. I've been asked to take things and leave things, but I get them anyways. Yeah. Drop it. Oh, good boy. And he dropped a small enough piece. So that's a nice thing, because what if he were to get something that he shouldn't have in his mouth?
Yeah.
I hope I got it on video, but he relaxed his jaw and it just fell out.
Okay.
So that was what you want, is that subconscious response to drop it to go sniff, which causes their jaw to relax.
Zephyr. Take it. Drop it.
Oh.
Drop it.
Good boy. And so you got that right away, where at first you just do it really quickly and don't let them get too into it.
Yeah.
And that's going to be the key to the hot dog.
Okay. Take it.
Well, that's fun.
Drop it. Drop it. Good boy.
You gotta show them the food before
Yeah.
you drop it.
Try another one on that one.
Drop it.
Good. That one was really good. And then point out to the stuff. That too might help him. So you only have to say drop it once. So you say drop it, drop the food, and go, look at this, look at this, look at this.
Okay.
So try that one and see if you get a better response. Maybe make sure you're going to drop the hot dog, dude.
Take it. Drop it. Right here. Right there.
Perfect.
Right there.
Good. Right. It is Zephyr does the hot dog challenge. He's like, I got this in the bag, man.
Okay, Zephyr.
I win either way.
Yeah, no doubt. Okay, take it. Drop it. Drop it.
Look at that, look at that. I seem to see half the hot dog is missing.
I think he inhaled it.
Yeah, the other one's gone.
Oh no.
Now he's had to taste the hot dog, so you just gave Twyla a harder job. He's like, that was delicious.
Take it.
So drop it.
Drop it. Look at right here and there.
He's like, oh shit.
It's too.
It was a comment. It was
I don't know what you people are doing, but can you make up your mind? Do you want to sit? Do you want to stand?
Yes.
People are strange. Say yes there, because he's lowering his body. So you'd be saying yes on each increment all the way to the down. And keep the food going in between his paws. Good.
Yes. Yes.
Good. Pause for a second. And say, okay, let's go. Because he's in down position. Good. Good. Very nice.
Zephyr, let's go this way.
It's like I really don't think that these people know what they want from me. It's like, am I walking around? Am I doing nothing? There must be a point to this. Take your hand away for a sec. Now say yes and treat him in place. That's what you want to do. Good. Say yes again, treat him in place.
Yes.
And then when he looks at you again, you say, okay, let's go, and unwrap your foot. And go. So those are the kind of repeats that you want. He's like, eating! Eating!
Yes.